What's going on, everybody? It's Rock from Flip the Thrift. We are at the shop. We have a car full of stuff. We yard sailed. Is that a word? We yard sailed. We went yard sailing all day and we got a ton of stuff. So don't go anywhere. I'm going to show you what we picked up. Alright, so that was an absolutely awkward intro. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Yes, those are my keys in my hand and some trash that I pulled out of my car. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. A lot of people are also subscribed, watching the videos, and nobody's really liking the videos. Maybe you don't like them, maybe you do. I'm hoping that you do like them. I like them. I watch my own videos sometimes, and you know, it is what it is. So I'm going to unlock the door. We're going to go into the shop, and I'm going to show you what I picked up. I'm going to turn all the lights on, and we definitely made some really good scores today. The car is full. A lot of 25-cent items, really good deals today. I got a bunch of Army stuff today for like that whole box right there. They were all like $1 a piece, and I believe they are. I don't know if they're Vietnam. I don't know how old they are. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research, but I think I paid like $6 for all of them. There's a jacket, there's a bunch of button-ups, and there's a bunch of pants. There's green and tan. So, like I said, I'm not really sure what year they're from, but I rambled on enough. I'm gonna get everything inside, and we're gonna go from there. All right, guys. So here we are in the warehouse. Not a very good. I guess that's okay. That'll do for now. There's way more than what I thought there was. I'm going to try to go through this stuff as quickly as possible. I'm going to move this bag because this is glass in here. I have the Army clothes sitting over here. I'm just going to kind of pick through what we got real quick. All right, so we got this. I don't know if this is the brand that I see online. I don't know if this is just like a cheaper brand, but it's definitely brand new inside. This is, I think it's a cigarette rolling machine. The cigarette actually goes in right here on the corner right there, and then you just put the stuff in the top, it still has a crank that you crank, and I think it opens where I'm not really sure, but anyway, whatever, guys. It sells for about $75, basically is the point, and I paid $5 for it, and I just need to add the power cord, and we're good to go. That's what it looks like right there. I'm like, whatever, guys. All right. Obviously, I need to just really go through this video really quick. Has anybody else been experiencing slow sales? My sales have been absolutely terrible lately, and I just really need to start getting this stuff listed. This is 2 days worth of stuff, and it's just sitting here, so I really need to work on it today and tomorrow. All right, so they had a bunch of models. The people that I bought this from, they were resellers. This is, I believe it's like, is that an aircraft carrier or whatever? Something like that. It's British too, I think. I think that's what that is. But anyway, it's complete on the inside, and they sell for about $100. I paid $10 for this one. He only wanted $10 for the models. I believe it is brand new on the inside. Yep, all the stickers, everything, all of it's in there. It's all complete. I'm pretty sure it's 100% complete. It looks like to me that everything is in this box. So with that being said, 10 into 100, it's going to be a pain in the butt to ship. I'm going to have to probably build a box for this, but no big deal. If it will go priority, we'll be good to go, because then I can just take 2 of like the priority boxes, the one, because I have plenty of them. I have tons of them on that rack over there, and it's just, yeah, I can probably just do like a Franken box and make a box for this to ship it on out and get rid of it. So we're going to keep on going. All right, so I was kind of going through these Harry Potter books. I did pick up a set, and I wanted to get the ones that were missing out of the set, the 2 and 3, because it was a box set. But they have to be, I'm guessing, the Scholastic. They have to be the Scholastic versions to complete this set. So they're in pretty good condition. The box is a little beat up. It's not perfect, but at least I'll have a complete set of all 7. I may even have an extra one to throw in with this set to get this to sell. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put this over here. And if I have to throw in 2 that don't match, then I'm going to have to do that. So we'll see. We shall see, said the blind man. All right, so she only wanted $1 for this pan. It's made by Summer Garden. It's only worth, the last one sold for like $13. So I thought that for a ceramic pan like this, pot or whatever, that this would be worth a little bit more, but still not a complete loss. I can still at least get $10. If I do $14.99, put it on sale, I'm definitely going to get $10 for this. So, and mine will sell faster because everyone else is asking $15 or $20 for theirs. And the last one sold, I think sold on an off, not on an offer, but like, I think it was $13. So something like that. So whatever. This, I'm going to have to make sure that this is authentic. I only paid $1 for this Kate Spade purse. Now you might be like, oh, you only, paid $1 for that. Then it's, probably not real. The strap on it, the straps seem to be a little worn out. So that's probably why. I'm pretty sure she wore the heck out of this. My daughter has the same one. I know because I paid for it and it was about $90. And hers was small. Hers was smaller than this. Can I talk today? Yes, I can. All right, so still not bad. I'll probably still get like $25 for this, something like that. We'll see. We shall see, said the blind man. And then I wasn't going to leave this Steve Madden, really nice. I make sure that I always look inside. Can't really see. No stains. There's no smoke smell. My wife said she did smell some smoke while we were there. Maybe the husband smokes and the wife doesn't. There's no smoke smell on this one. This one's pretty cool. It has a nice gold accent, gold trim to it. This one was $3. She actually wanted more for this one than that one. So whatever they're worth is what I'm going to sell them for. I'm not going to, try to hold out for a ridiculous number. I'm just going to try to move them. And this was 50 cents for this American Girl bag. And this is only like a $10 bag. Surprisingly, I would have thought it would have been worth a little bit more, but it seems like the dolls are what everyone is really looking for. And this was one of the last sales that we went to. I got this really nice Ralph Lauren. It's in really good condition. I'm guessing that if it's Ralph Lauren, it's probably real leather. So, hopefully this is authentic. I'll probably get about $30 for that, maybe a little bit more. It could be worth a little more than that. I'm not sure. So I paid $1 for the Tropicool. This is just like a polo, I'm probably gonna take it out of the bag because it doesn't really make sense to leave it in the bag like this. It's just gonna be harder to. I gotta take it out and measure it anyway. So let's take a look at it. It's a pretty decent size. Not worth a whole lot, but it is brand new. Brand new polo. Oh, it's actually pretty nice. Not too bad. So this is like a pullover polo. It has like a stretch at the bottom. So this is like a golf type of deal. It's pretty nice. Not too bad. I have a hard time selling when they're like, I thought that this was going to be like a regular polo. It's not. It's actually one of those ones where it has like the hem at the bottom. They're a little bit harder to sell for some reason. I don't know why. And this was going to go to my son. My wife picked it out for him. This is Wiz Khalifa, and my son is not wearing anything with drug paraphernalia. And, I used to do all that when I was a kid and growing up. I understand, I get it, but my kids are going to stay sober, and for as long as I can help, as long as I can keep a tight grip on them, I'll do what I can. But anyway, these were just, I think my wife bought these and they didn't fit her. They're just like CJ Banks. They're not anything special. So those are, I don't even know what I'm doing with them. I might just donate them, or maybe I'll put them up and sell them, and we'll see if we can get something for them. Check this out. We paid $2 for that. Really nice. It's from the Disney store, Mickey Mouse Christmas sweater, ugly Christmas sweater, whatever you want to call it. Not bad for $2. It's in great condition. I don't know what the material is. If it's cotton, poly, whatever. We'll see. And a couple more items here. A lot of the items that I picked out today were really cheap. These were 50 cents. These are just some Disney pants. There's Minnie Mouse on them. So they look like they're in pretty good condition. They're all tie-dyed, so even if they did have a stain on them, you can't really tell. The waist is pretty good. There's a little bit of tearing right there, a little bit of thread threads coming out. So I'm not sure. They were only 50 cents. Actually, they might have been a quarter. I think all this stuff was a quarter. And then these are just like sleep pants. These are Victoria's Secret pink. These are just like a regular sleep pants. They're in pretty good condition. They're not torn at the bottom. I don't know if there's supposed to be a top to these, but they're in pretty good shape. So, like I said, they're like a quarter. So, they're probably going to sell right around now. Right around summertime, people were in their pajamas, kind of hanging out. We got this cool Green Bay shirt. I thought it was cool. I'm not really sure. There's no brand or anything. It's just a really cool graphic. It's just really dope. It kind of looks old school, but it's probably new school. That was cool. Pretty decent looking item. I got to clean this up. It's nice and dirty. I think I can get about 15 bucks for this. Anytime you find the phones with the big numbers on them, they tend to do a lot better. For like the older, like the elderly. My grandmother had a big number phone like this. Said the same thing. So that should do well. I paid $2 for that, something like that. $2 or $3, something like that. And then one of the last sales that I went to also, she had a bunch of these Longaberger books. They're all brand new. I paid $1 a piece for them. They tend to only sell for like $8 plus shipping or like $13 free shipping. I would rather do $8 plus shipping because I have boxes that I can ship these in. They're like record boxes. I'll probably wrap them in some padding and then throw them in one of those record boxes, and they'll be really, really easy to ship. So no big deal. But if you have the right box, guys, it just makes it so much easier. That's why I try to get as many as I can. I get them free from the dollar store, anywhere where I can just dumpster dive, grab boxes. As much as, if you guys can do all of that, you can definitely save a lot of money. Some people can't. They don't really have the chance. I think I paid $2 a piece. I bought 2 knives. I gave one away to my son-in-law. It was a multi-tool. He wanted I probably gave him the one that was more valuable, but that's okay. He does a lot for me. This is made by Sharp, but it is broken right there. This is only a $20 knife anyway, but I do have the case for it, and you know, maybe I can get 15 for it broken, maybe 10. At least get my money back. So we'll see. Alright, we're going to go as quickly as we can, guys. Alright, so anytime you see these, like the Hollister or the American Eagle, like these heavyweight shorts, they tend to do very well, the heavyweight cargos. They should start selling. Hopefully, this stuff will start selling. I don't know what's going on. I got to start getting things listed, so they're just basic cargos. These were, I think these were $1. Those were only $1. So we got $1 on them. And then I got all of these bras. I think they're Vince Commuto. I'm not really sure what these are worth. But there's 3 of them on a thing. So anyone that has this size, they're all, you know, there's 3 different colors in here. These are not wired. These are probably more comfortable to wear maybe in the summertime. Depends on what the deal is. These are wire-free, no-show bra 3-pack. So I paid $1 for them, you know. I'm pretty sure I should get a decent amount for them. And then I think she only charged me 50 cents for that. It was something, the lady said that her husband bought it for her and she never wore it. She was an older lady. It's definitely made in USA. It's an extra small. Yikes. I hate buying small women's items because they just take forever to sell. This could even be for like a child too. It's just a cool looking vest. Women's clothing is just, sometimes it just takes so long to even sell it. These are going to do well. These are like, besides that model, these are one of the items that I picked up today that's going to do very well. They're a little, yeah, this box is a little ripped, but they are brand new sealed. There's 2 of them. That's how I know that these are definitely new. They weren't messed with, because why would there be more than one? Somebody must have had them. He must have accumulated them somehow. I don't know how he got them, but this is actually a really good program. This is for video editing. This is probably Blu-ray, everything. This is probably something that I could even use. I wonder what the date is on this. It can't be too old. 2013, that's not too bad. A lot of times people like these older programs because there's functions on some of the older programs that they need. Like there are functions on Magic Music Maker that I use to make music that are only on some of the older programs like Auto-Tune, which is called Elastic Audio. It's only on Magic Music Maker 12, which was one of the first ones I started using when I started mixing and making beats and, you know, doing all that rap and hip hop stuff. So, because I told you guys before, I also make music too, but I'm just not into it as much as I used to be. I'm more into reselling. These will sell for $50 a piece. They're brand new used. I paid $12 for a whole bag of everything that I bought from that one spot. I got these for the shop. My wife likes to use these little sticky notes for when we're weighing our items, when we're doing, so that way we can go back and it's easier to ship items. She uses them. I don't know the method to the madness. She does it. I don't use these. I just write on the box. I think they're a waste, but it is what it is. Whatever works. Happy wife, happy life. You guys know the deal. All right, so I picked up these watches at that same spot. Like I said, I spent $13 total. These are going to need batteries. I think there's 5 of them. These are called the C Watch. These are vintage. There's different ones. Like this one is, that one is Barfy. That one's Burpy, Mr. Tootie, and Girly Glab or something. Girly something. I don't know. Whatever. They're definitely going to need batteries. I can't open them, put batteries in them, because then I will have to physically rip the packages open. So I'm going to have to sell them like this. Hopefully the batteries aren't inside corroded. I know they're dead. I know they definitely don't work. Yeah, so that's just going to be, these were bought at KB Toy Store. So we'll see how these do. I'm probably going to maybe sell them one at a time, one item at a time. Like I said, I don't know how well this is going to work out because the batteries could possibly be corroded inside. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. That is all she wrote, and thank you so much for all of the subscribers, all the people that support my channel. I did run into another person the other day that said, hey, you're Flip the Thrift. And I said, yes, I am Flip the Thrift. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and hit that notification bell. You get notified every time that I upload a video. It will come directly to you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. Thumbs up. Whatever. Thumbs up. No, not down.